Once again, so Captain Pompey with that limestone. That's sorry. Sorry. Yeah, that's our Captain Pompey working magic with that limestone. You know? Yeah, working on the foot bottoms, the surrounding area, the instep area around the ankles, you know, and the lower section of the foot, you know, and it works so good. It is so soapy and so milky, you know, and shucks, it have so much magic in it, man. It can do so much. You would have to tell you, man. Come on, Pompey, tell us a little bit about this limestone and what it's about.
We're doing a foot massage.
Yes.
Pedicure. Also good for sunburn.
Okay.
Mosquito bite.
Cool.
Rashes. Also, we do like a little reflexology in your foot meanwhile doing the pedicure.
Interesting.
Like here now. Here help to release the membrane.
Okay.
Bottom of your feet. Top of your toe help to release the pressure points.
Good.
Back of your heel, good for back pain.
Interesting.
Take away all the calluses of your feet. Limestone.
Wow. It's very good. It's very good. And what else the limestone can do, Pompey?
I also use it to make like whitewash.
Wow.
Chalk. That's what teacher used.
Wow. And where did the limestone come from, Pompey?
In the water. Also take away 99% of the bacteria from the water.
Wow. So you hear it from the Cap himself, Pompey. Up and running. And he's telling you that the limestone that he's using presently as a massage soap, you know, it takes away 90%, because I just saw him went just right there and pick the limestone up, you know. So you're not gonna get this limestone only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica, Great River Rafting in Jamaica. That's where you get this limestone. And it is very good for so many different reasons. There you just got it from the Cap himself. He's here in the business and he's been doing this for years. And he know what he's saying and stuff been working. So come on guys, come and check it out, man. Give Jamaica a try. Check out Great River Rafting. And check out Pompey, see what's going on down here. Yo, this is so good, man. This is so awesome. Sweetie, what you still tell me how you feel about this foot massage you getting.
You're waking me up, honey.
Are you messing up the video? You can't